What's going on, diecast enthusiasts? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing very well. I'm doing very well. Thank you very much for asking. I know, long time, no video. What's up with that? I just got busy, man. Life gets lifey. Plus, I'm putting a lot of my effort into Whatnot, which I think is a really, really cool app. So why I think it's really, really cool is that I get to interact with people. Not really much like this, but anyways, what can we do? I'm going to try to make the best of a bad situation. I wouldn't even say this is a bad situation. Just haven't been putting out a lot of content. Anyways, talking about content, let's get right to it. So what I got here, man, this is a mail call from Diecast Dad from Whatnot. I think I know what this is, but maybe I don't. So we've got some packaging material. Very, very awesome. Very valuable to me. Got a whole bunch of fun stuff right here. Very nicely wrapped, by the way. This guy is definitely really good. So let's find out what we got. Oh, wow. Did wrap this up really nice. Try not to hurt the bubble wrap too much. But what can you do? So right off the bat, what we got is, I can tell you right now what this is. This is a super treasure hunt. Not really one of the most sought after treasure hunts. Solaro GT. We got our little gold symbol right back there, as we can tell. Not bad, man. Not bad at all. We've also got another treasure hunt right here. This is a 2000 treasure hunt series, the 57 T-Bird in green and black. And yes, those are Real Rider tires. What a special little car, man. I'm not really much of a T-Bird fan, but I definitely do like it. Check this thing out, man. The older treasure hunts were just... Check this thing out, man. The older treasure hunts were just cooler, in my personal opinion. Look at this. We got TH2000. We got that right on the hood, and that's what made these things cool. So, especially where we have treasure hunt series, and we've got nothing on the Super. This made it very, very difficult for us to find. But anyways, I got this super treasure hunt from Diecast Dad. What a great guy, and this is definitely not a bad score. I also got some cases, some clamshells, so those will be put to use. Let's check this out right here. So what do we got here, man? This is a 1977 Chevy Cheyenne 10, also known as a C10, as we can see right here, in the park. Check this thing out. Not bad for an M2, and you know what? I'm not a huge fan of Silverados, to be honest with you. I'm just not, and I'm trying to get this light not to really interrupt the clamshell. Anyways, this is very nice in blue. It is a two-tone. We've got the white hood. M2 machines. I think this is new for this year. Yeah, 2025. So anyways, I know someone that may want this. I'm not a huge fan of Silverados. I think they're cool trucks, just not my cup of tea. Now, this I think was really, really awesome. Check this out, man. The original Homie Rollers. Check. We've got a 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo. Look at this thing. That thing is beautiful, man. That thing is wicked sweet, guy. Includes 2 collectible figures. What's up, guys? You're fresh out of the box. You happy? They said they like the Northeast and they're going to stay here. I like it. I'm going to keep it. Oh boy. Oh boy. The OG Nissan diorama. We've got a Datsun. We've got a 510 wagon. What is that? 2000 GT? I don't know. That might be the Laurel. Let's go back here. It is the Laurel. 2000 SGX. And the Aerolift. Not bad, man. Fair Lady Z. Check this thing out. Very happy to have this in my collection. I don't have this one. This one was really tough for me to find. So I'm very happy with this mail call. Thank you very much, Diecast Dad. Really do appreciate it. Second mail call. What do we got in this really, really nice box? This is a very beautiful box, by the way. It's incredible. It's the best box I've ever seen. Nah, I'm just kidding. We're not here to talk about the box. We're here to talk about what's inside the box. Let's open this up, shall we? I got Mr. Stabby slicing and dicing this packaging tape like it's butter. Oh, beautiful. Let's get that out of here. Don't want to dox myself. Oh my God, look what we got. We got pillows. I got pillows. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. This is what it's all about. Nah, I'm just kidding. Up first, we've got the Lucas stabilizer. This is not a bad monster truck, man. Fresh out of the box, straight from the website, into my home. Let's make it into yours. Anyways, not a bad looking truck if you ask me. I'm not a huge fan of tractor trailers, but this one just spoke to me. I'm actually going to keep this one. Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, whatever. I'll keep it. Here is the creme de la creme. This is what we've been waiting for. You guys know it. I know it. What do we got here, man? We've got not one, not two. We've got 4 Thanksgiving trucks. Hold on a second. This box just pissed me off. See you later, alligator. Check this thing out, man. We've got 1 out of 5,000. I've got 4 out of 5,000. I might be picking up 2 more today. Who knows? I don't know. Anyways, what a fabulous looking monster truck. We got the turkey right up there. We've got our corn. What is that, macaroni? Looks like macaroni. Doesn't matter, man. So the menu does open up, and I really want to open this thing, but this thing is not too bad. So I'm actually doing a little bit of collecting into the Monster Jam monster trucks because I like them. So you will not find this in stores. You can pause to read, but here we go. I'm not sure what the resale value is on these, but I know what I am doing. I'm going to keep one to myself. That's right. I'm not too greedy. And you know what? I'm going to shell out the wealth with other people. So check that out, man. Not a bad haul. Not a bad haul. So that is all the time I have for you today, ladies and gentlemen. I got to go and edit this video. So anyways, that being said, there will be a part 2. I've got something very, very, very special in the works. And I'm going to work on that directly after I work on this one. So that being said, I'm going to go get ready for something very incredible. And you know what? Hope you guys have a nice day. Collect what you like. And if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, man. So do it right at the time of your life. Later, taters.